Beautiful afternoon, everyone. Beautiful morning and beautiful evening, depending on where you are and where you're watching this video from. Okay, I want to say something very, very important, and please, I'd like you to listen. Just listen. As usual, where I am, it's always noisy. It's a busy place, so it's don't mind if you start hearing noises. I want to say something regarding the powder detergent I posted sometime. Okay, and I got a lot of people that indicated interest. I want to join, I want to learn, I want to learn, I want to learn. Now listen to what you may not know. Yes, there is a powder detergent class which runs on Telegram only. Most of my classes are on Telegram, except those that want one-on-one one-on-one or private or live training. Then I can take them to move them to WhatsApp. But for normal general training, it's on Telegram. Okay, and what you don't know is this: when you join that class, you're going to create your own formula, but I'm going to give you a working formula or a working recipe that you're going to use. If you don't want to create your own, you can work with mine. I have about three videos there, and the main thing is you're going to study as if you're having a lecture. You're going to study the ingredients, the percentage at which you should use them, and the percentage at which you should not go overboard. Okay, then you create your own formula. If you are someone that have interest in creating your own thing, not using someone's what somebody else has created, do you understand? Then that class is for you. But if you want to do what I have done, then no problem. Okay, now this is the powder detergent I was talking about. This one. This particular one. This particular one is not in that class. So this particular one here is not in that class. So why is it not in that class? This is from that class that I created this one for myself. Okay, now if I have trained about 3 5 10 people physically on powder detergents, okay, they may not end up achieving the same powder detergent, even though they may use the same ingredients. Why? Because when you come, I'll ask you, what do you want? Do you want a detergent that is low grade, or like low class, medium class, or premium? Okay, then I will get it done. Then both of us are going to look at the ingredients, and I will tell you what makes a powder detergent low grade, medium grade, and premium. Okay, like a company that came last week or last 2 weeks, they sent their staff to come, and I asked them, what do you people want? Which market audience do you want to target? But we ended up producing the three grades of powder detergents. Okay, now it's from that telegram class that I created something like this for myself and for every other person that's going to be coming for physical or for private one-on-one. You're going to create your own detergent from that class. Okay, so those that have seen this one, I'm thinking that this one is in that class. This one is not in that class. So this particular one is not in that class. So please, but you can get something exactly like this if you study well and know this is what I want. Okay, well, I don't blame those that usually go for formula, okay, or recipe rather than going for the training. Yeah, there I have people about 25 to 40 people that have come for formulas, created formulas, working recipes, and not for, they don't have any business with your training or with my training. They don't have any business with my training. What they're after is just like this. I don't have any products. I would have used one product. Okay, just like this body butter. If someone wants to learn this body butter, this is what I sell. And I don't expect me to come and start teaching it online. I don't. But if you want a working formula, a working recipe, or a working body butter, then you go for this. You buy this recipe. I will tell you the price. You buy it. I'll give you everything I have used for this that made it to work. Or this toner. Do you get? If you don't want to go for the training to start, I'm going to use water 20%, I'm going to use niacinamide 2%, I'm going to use this one, lactic acid 1%. If you don't want to be going through the stress of creating that, then you buy the recipe, what I have used there. Okay, so that is it. So I don't blame those that will just come and tell you, I want a working recipe, I want this particular recipe we have used, and don't expect that working recipe and the training to be the same price. Do you get? Don't expect them to be the same price. Like those that are coming for the powder detergents, for instance, and he said, you want exactly what I did here. Now look at me producing it here. This is when I was mixing it, and you cannot see this video online, but you can see it in the phones of those that have bought the working recipe. Do you get? Do you understand? So that's how it works. That's what I'm here for. That's what I came here to tell you now. If you want this particular powder detergent, it is not in the training group. It is not in the training group. Where you can see this is when you want one-on-one, or you want exactly what I did here. Then I will tell you the price that you're going to pay to get this particular formula. Okay, now for this particular formula, it is those that have been to my workshop will know that this particular bowl I use here is 20 liter, either 20 or 22 liter bowl, 20 or 22 liter. But look at 8 kg where it is. Look at the volume of 8 kg, for you to see that this detergent is very light. Like, it is not heavy, it is not dense, it's very light. Now let me show you something again. Okay, this is when I'm done mixing it. I've added everything, my color speckle, my enzymes and everything. Okay, and I weighed it. Now I'm taking, like, I want to go and weigh 250 gram. 250 gram is what I weighed here. You're going to see the volume of 250 gram for this powder detergent. This is 250 gram. Can you see how it is? Can you see how it is? Okay, now let me go and weigh 80 gram. Let me weigh 80, because 80 gram is the least detergent quantity you can get in the market. Let me weigh 80 gram for you to see. This is 80 gram. Can you see 80 gram? Can you see how voluminous this 80 gram is? So for you to know that when you're coming for this particular one, you're not going to pay 20,000 naira for the class. The class is 20,000 naira. Yeah, those that have been paying for it for years, that's the amount, 20,000 naira. But this particular one, this is what I give out to factories, those that I know that yes, they are ready for this business. Not those that want to come and learn and go and break it into 1,000 pieces and start distributing to everybody online for 500 naira. No, no. And I don't beg. I will not beg you to come and, if this is what you want, I will tell you the price. If you want it, you come for it, you pay for it, and I'll give it to you. But if you think that after buying it, you're going to pieces it into 1,000 pieces and sell to 200 naira, it's none of my business. Okay, so I put value for whatever I am giving to you out there. Whatever I am giving to you, there is value to it. If you want free something, there is free something. Sure. I get free updates, I get free recipes that are working perfectly. But you don't expect me. I'm doing this as if I am shouting or I'm crying. Yes, because I have received countless messages, DMs. And some people will tell you, you dey charge this amount for this thing and it's still there for this Nigeria. Excuse you. Create your own recipe or your own formula. The group is 20,000 naira. When you join, after learning, you create your own perfect working formula or recipe. Then you sell it to any amount you want. Share it for free. It's none of my business. But you see this particular one, those that I'm talking, they know themselves. This particular one, when I tell you the price, if you want it actually, the least thing you can do is to negotiate, right? But some people, they will not even negotiate. They will tell you, and you are seeing this country, and you are still like this, and you are still see. I'm not sharing this for me to use it and build a house. Though that I have trained, I select people that I give my working recipes. If you want commercial massive training for, I get that one too. If you want a premium recipe or working formula or or premium training, I have that one too. Okay, I hope I've not offended anybody. I'm just speaking out my mind because I've decided not to be answering people coming to my DM to come and talk about this. I decided to make this video to let everybody hear. Okay, so I no go talk say I no talk am. This is me, and what I don't do I can't give it out. This thing, this body butter, I've been selling for over 4 years now. Though this lightning one was introduced 2 years ago, this lightning one, and I have shared the first recipe I started this business with. I have shared it for free for everybody. Why did I share it? Because I have upgraded, and you don't expect me to come and share the upgraded formula for free for you now. You know they work like that. It doesn't work like that. Just like this toner, I have shared a working formula for it for free, but I'm still selling this one. The same thing I gave to you for free is the same thing I'm selling for this particular one. So when I want to give you something for free, I'll give you for free. If I don't want to give you, don't pressure me. You don't side talk me for me to give you something for free. No, no, it doesn't work that way. I hope everybody understood what I just said. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much for listening to this, for watching this video. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is Jofia DIY, and bye.